Today we are going to install the new Turn Offroad Jeep JK Fastback 2-piece hardtop. This hardtop fits the Jeep 2-door 2007 through 2018 models. Installation time is around 15 to 30 minutes. You'll need 2 friends to help you, with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to get the job done properly. So, gather all these tools, and let's start this installation. Let's start by removing the factory OEM top, and to do that, you will need to remove these 3 T40 Torx bolts on each side of the vehicle, as you see here. The bolts are located on top of the bed rail, in the front, middle, and back of the vehicle. Next, turn these 3 top panel levers to the open position, and then the latch under the sun visor, shown here, on both driver's and passenger's side of the vehicle. Now, remove these 2 hand twist hardtop bolts, found above the seats, as you see here. Then, you can remove the front top panels, and set them aside. Next, don't forget to unplug the defroster, wiper, and water hose if equipped, from the C-pillar, as seen here. Now, grab that extra pair of hands, to help you remove the factory top. Don't forget to open the tailgate, lift the glass, and close the tailgate again to make this a much easier removal process. Next, doing the same thing as you just did to remove the top. Lift the glass before setting the top in place, so it clears the spare tire. Now, with the top in place, hand thread in the 3 bolts on each side. You may have to move the top around a little to visually align these holes. After the top is fitted and aligned, tighten the bolts down. Next, using a T30 Torx bit, remove the factory latch hooks, as you see here. Then, grab a supplied hook, and reinstall the bolts. Do this to both sides of the vehicle. Now, with a friend's help, grab the targa top and set it in place, as you see here. Some slight moving and adjusting may need to be done for a snug fit. Also, make sure that the rubber is not smashed or bound up under the top, but pulled out, so it looks like it fits naturally in a channel, as you see here. Next, adjust the latches, by tightening or loosening the catch hook. When you have adjusted it to where the latch snaps in place, with light to moderate pressure, then, set the jam nut, and you are good to go. Now, open the tailgate, close the glass, close the tailgate back up, and you are ready to hit the road. Lastly, one last test for that perfect seal. Open the door, and close a bill between the door and top seal. If you can pull it through with slight resistance, then it's a good seal. Congratulations, that completes your Turn Offroad hardtop install. If you have any questions during your product installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.